Hello everyone. What time is it now? It's 23:45, and I just came back from a gig and I'm tired. But I just want to give you a perspective of what I stand for and what I don't stand for. So I get home at about like 15 minutes ago, 11:30, and I go to my posts and I see justice for Cwecwe, justice for Cwecwe, justice for Cwecwe. And it's the same amount of messaging and bombarding as what happened previously with Sweet Guluva. And for me, it was the first time it happened. And I don't watch Big Brother, and I have no idea what was happening. And I was like, why are they bombarding me with and forcing me to vote when I don't watch the show? And I still stand with it. Nobody has the right to bombard and force someone to vote for something that they don't know or don't believe in. And for me, it was that, and I still stand today. I will not allow people to dictate, especially when it's voting. Like, and I have an issue if it's my page. I have the right to decide what I want on my page or not. So when I get home and I see these messages, so justice for Cwecwe, I go and I search with who is Cwecwe and what is it about, right? And my heart broke. And this is when it is justifiable and it's okay for people to spread and try to get as many voices as possible. In this case, for me personally, there's no I'm in or out. It is we are all in. And I'm here to say justice for Cwecwe. Justice for uCwecwe. There's no amount of hugs, messages, words that would fix what has been broken to that innocent little child. And justice has to be served. If it means I am one of the people that would be outside the court and making sure that the perpetrator and the culprit faces the wrath of the law, so be it. I will cancel every gig that I have if it means me being there will help and make sure that justice is served. I still stand and I say proudly, loudly, angry, sad, disappointed, frustrated, flabbergasted. Sis, man. Cwecwe, mtanam, I'm so sorry. So sorry. So sorry. We'll do whatever it takes to make sure that justice is served and to make sure that at least you recover in some way. You are never going to fully recover, my child, but at least we are here for as long as we are alive. Sorry if we failed, mtanam, but justice for Cwecwe. Sorry about the darkness of the video. I'm about to sleep and I'm tired. Bengicela, anyone who knows or can help me with access to the mother of Cwecwe, because I saw a video where she says they've run out of money to get the lawyers and stuff. I am willing to pay anything and everything that I have to make sure that they get the best lawyers and justice is served. So please get the contact for me and send it to my PA, Mvelo, MVELO, @sompire.com. Send the contact of the mother, and I want to help, and I'm willing to help. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. You are trend, that's Somizi Mhlongo, and this time for all the right reasons. Njengoba offerishe ukuthi abadali bameli bamakwacwecwe because uvile ukuthi makwacwecwe shilo ku interview ukuthi abasanayo imali baze bathengisa nemoto, so lukazama ukuthola bulungisa for umntwana wakhe uCwecwe. If ungasathi story sakhe Cwecwe, umntwana una 7 years old, lo bekafunda lapha eBergville Radar College, bamdlengulile ngo-October 2024, but till today akakuthola bulungiswa. Akusolakala ukuthi ngiprincipal lo wendele sehlakala njengoba bathema bafuna ama-DNA akhe, wala waphetha principal wabetane bameli ukuthi bantomela asho nje ukuthi yena akafuni ngema-DNA akhe. Abantu babona ngazuthi kukhona la kufihla kulo principal. Sivaliwe lesiya sikolo, abantu basayina i-petition lapha Google yokuthi justice for uCwecwe. Guys, there is no way ungahlala ungafuni ama-samples akho if you are innocent. If u-innocent, why ungafuni ukuthi bathathe ama-samples akho? Because ama-samples driver we-staff bawathethe, ama-samples caretaker bawathethe, wena yini le ngakalo lo ifihlayo? So people are saying ukuthi lo mlungu lona khona into la yati, kodwa there is no way angala ngema-samples so makukuthi akusuye lo dlengule Cwecwe. And people are saying ukuthi kusho ukuthi akusuye umntwana oqala ukuthi kwenteke into lefana nalena lapha esikoleni eBergville College ngaCwecwe, nethi ngobe mhlawumbe letinye titora tsengakavakali but titovakala. But people are saying ukuthi ngeke sisibheke down, simfuna boshiwe lo mlungu lona. Makunguye vele lo ndile sehlakalo njengoba la anema-DNA test akhe, ayicha simfuna behind bars because bantu abethu clearly abakaphephi ngisho nasetikoleni noma kusaseni bantu labafana nalo babelona. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.